The Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is a remarkable addition to Xiaomi's mid-range smartphone lineup, offering an impressive array of features and specifications that rival even high-end devices on the market. With its sleek design, powerful hardware, advanced camera system, and long-lasting battery, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is a standout choice for tech-savvy consumers looking for a top-of-the-line smartphone experience. The devices will boast both IP68 and IP69K ingress protection. This means the phones will be highly resistant to dust and water and withstand extreme conditions. These include high-pressure water jets and high temperatures. One of the first things that will catch your eye about the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is its stunning design. The smartphone boasts a large 6.67 inches AMOLED display with a resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, providing crisp and vibrant visuals for all your multimedia needs. With a refresh rate of 120 Hz, peak brightness 3000 nits, the display on the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is truly a sight to behold. Additionally, the screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, ensuring durability and scratch resistance. In terms of materials, the Redmi Note 14 Plus features a combination of high-quality components, including Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. These materials not only give the smartphone a premium look and feel, but also provide added protection against everyday wear and tear. With a usable surface of 89.4%, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus offers a spacious and immersive viewing experience for all your entertainment needs. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Plus is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 processor, built on a 4nm architecture for blazing fast performance and efficiency. Paired with 12 GB or 16 GB of LPDDR4X or LPDDR5X RAM, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus can handle multitasking and heavy-duty applications with ease. Storage options include 256 GB or 512 GB of UFS 2.2 or UFS 3.1 storage, providing ample space for all your photos, videos, and apps. With an Antutu score of 813816, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus delivers exceptional performance across the board. To ensure the security of your device and data, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus features a fingerprint display for quick and secure unlocking. Additionally, the smartphone is equipped with a cooling system to prevent overheating during intensive usage, allowing for smooth and uninterrupted operation even under pressure. The camera system on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is nothing short of impressive, with a triple camera setup that captures stunning photos and videos in any environment. The main camera features an OmniVision OV50 Light Hunter 800 sensor with 50 megapixels, f1.6 aperture, and CMOS technology for exceptional clarity and detail. The wide-angle lens offers 8 megapixels, f2.2 aperture, and CMOS technology for expansive landscapes and group shots. The telephoto lens provides 50 megapixels, f2.0 aperture, and CMOS technology for close-up shots with great depth of field. On the front, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is equipped with an OmniVision OV20B selfie camera with 20 megapixels, f2.2 aperture, and CMOS technology for clear and vibrant self-portraits. Additional features include optical stabilization, OIS, 4K video recording, optical zoom up to 2.5x, a 6P lens for improved image quality, and a 120 degrees field of view for capturing more in each frame. When it comes to connectivity, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus has you covered with Bluetooth 5.4, dual SIM support, NFC for contactless payments, Wi-Fi 6 for fast and reliable wireless internet, and an infrared port for remote control functionality. Whether you're streaming music, browsing the web, or staying connected with friends and family, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus offers seamless and reliable connectivity options. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is powered by a massive 60,200 mAh battery that provides long-lasting performance throughout the day. With 90-watt fast charging support, you can quickly recharge your device and get back to what matters most without missing a beat. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on the go, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus has the power to keep up with your busy lifestyle. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is a standout smartphone that offers a winning combination of design, performance, and features at an affordable price point. With its premium materials, powerful hardware, advanced camera system, and long-lasting battery, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is sure to impress even the most discerning tech enthusiasts. If you're in the market for a new smartphone that delivers on all fronts, look no further than the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe